Black holes are some of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the universe. They are regions of space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. But what would happen if you somehow found yourself falling into a black hole? The first thing you would notice is that time would start to slow down. This is due to the concept of time dilation, which states that time appears to move slower in strong gravitational fields. So as you get closer to the black hole, time would seem to slow down more and more. You would also start to feel the effects of the black hole's immense gravity. Your feet would feel heavier and heavier as you get closer, and you might even start to feel like you're being stretched out. This is due to the effect of gravity on your body, which would cause you to become more and more elongated as you fall towards the black hole. As you continue to fall, you would eventually reach the point of no return, known as the event horizon. This is the boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape. Once you pass through the event horizon, there's no turning back. As you continue to fall towards the black hole, you would experience more and more extreme gravitational forces. These forces will be so strong that they would eventually crush you into a single point, a process known as spaghettification. But even as you're being crushed, you would still be able to see the outside world. This is because the gravitational forces are so strong that they would bend the path of light, allowing you to see light from behind you as it travels towards the black hole. As you get closer and closer to the center of the black hole, known as the singularity, the gravitational forces would become infinite, and you would be stretched out into an infinitely long, thin string of matter. At this point, it's unclear what would happen to you, as our current understanding of physics breaks down at the singularity. But one thing is certain: once you pass through the event horizon, there's no way to escape the black hole. So if you ever find yourself falling towards a black hole, it's probably best to try to turn around and head back the way you came. In conclusion, traveling through a black hole would be a highly destructive and potentially lethal experience. The immense gravitational forces and time dilation would have extreme effects on your body, and it's unclear what would happen to you once you reached the singularity at the center of the black hole. So it's best to avoid falling into a black hole at all costs. The problem is that we can't get up close to see for ourselves. We can't even take photographs of anything that takes place inside a black hole. If light cannot escape their immense gravity, then nothing can be snapped by a camera. As it stands, theory suggests that anything which goes beyond the event horizon is simply added to the black hole, and what's more, because time distorts close to this boundary, this will appear to take place incredibly slowly, so answers won't be quickly forthcoming. One thing's for sure: this particular mystery is going to swallow up many more scientific hours for a long time to come. Scientists say more research is needed before we're anywhere close to successfully traveling through a black hole. But when we are ready, one of the safest passageways might be the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy called Sagittarius A. and it might just be our ticket out of the Milky Way.